मेरा नाम पार्थ करकेश है। आई एम 33 years old and I'm a BTech and MBA by education. Vice President with a American MNC, a business model innovator, but at the same time, I am an International Fitness Association member and a certified life coach. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये strange होगा. I mean this whole combination, but for some people, this must be like परफेक्ट. बट ये सब हमेशा से ऐसा नहीं था. फ्लैशबैक टू 2005. ये राइट में रेड शर्ट में पतला सा लड़का मैं हूँ. अ वीक किड हु वाज स्टूडियस, वेरी गुड इन एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, फेवरेट ऑफ मेनी टीचर्स, कैप्टन ऑफ हिज हाउस इन स्कूल. बट जब स्ट्रेंथ की बात आती थी, ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी बुलेड. बहुत बार हुआ है कि boys taller than me, stronger than me would just bully me for no reason. और जब मैं कॉलेज में पहुंच गया, it did not take me long to understand that sir, academics से ही सब कुछ नहीं है. You need to be an all-rounder, and for that, your overall fitness is a major player. By fitness, I meant both physical as well as mental fitness. मेरी फिटनेस जर्नी की स्टार्ट एक यूनिक एपिसोड से हुई. आई वॉज अ गुड हिप हॉप डांसर एंड आई थॉट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ टैलेंट पेजेंट. बट एक सेलिब्रिटी जज ने मुझे ये बोल दिया कि ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हैंगर पे कपड़े लटके हुए हैं. दैट वन कॉमेंट मेड मी रीच माई सैचुरेशन एंड आई जॉइन्ड द जिम वेरी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. इन 1 year, I transformed myself completely. And guess what? There was no looking back. Over time, I became so confident about myself that I started excelling in whatever I really wanted to do. आज उस बात को 12 साल हो गए. And now, during this pandemic, another spark hit me. The spark which somehow I had lost in over last 12 years. I was diagnosed with COVID last month. And during that isolation time of 21 days, thousands of thoughts crossed my head. Thoughts like, will I be able to pull through this? And during that whole introspection, I remembered everything I did with my body in last couple of years. फिर एक और thought that kept hitting my head. Am I happy with the life I have spent in last 33 years? Have I actually done what I really wanted to do? The answer was yes, as well as no. Yes, I achieved professionally a lot, but this is not exactly that makes me complete. I want to speak and connect to as many people. I wanted to know different people and their life experiences. मुझे अपने experiences share करने हैं and guide youngsters on how I overcame challenges and on the mistakes I did which they should not. और फिर मैंने ये सोचा कि नहीं, I will not let this happen. I will make this life count, not count the days left in my life. ये सब सोचने के बाद I thought to start this channel, to share my experiences, to hear your experiences, to contribute in making this society a better place to work. इस चैनल पे we will talk about lifestyles, health, careers, motivation and a lot more. I don't know कि ये चैनल कितना सक्सेसफुल होगा या कितना नहीं होगा, पर हाँ, इतना थॉट ज़रूर रख रहा हूँ कि after 20 years when I look back, I will have all these memories which I captured during this time. I will look forward to know you all more. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. I will wait forward to hear a lot of thoughts from you as well as exchange a lot of thoughts from my side.